got our first squirrel of the day. Nice fox one.
Yep.
We got up early. Had to get after him because we have a game.
Yep, we got a basketball game at 11:30,
yeah.
so we're trying to get a couple on the board before we gotta quit.
Got the first one. Nice tail on him.
Yep.
Pretty tail.
So in the tournament today, we're gonna keep after him. No. Okay.
He's pretty tiny.
There you go.
So we just got doubled up on 1 and 6.
5 and 6, so we're
5 and 6.
we're at 6. We have 2 hours to kill 4 more squirrels.
Which I think is doable.
It's doable. We gotta keep at them.
When we went to the basketball game, it was right.
Yeah, the basketball game ate up 3 hours of our afternoon, but
prime time.
last I heard, Brent and Garrett were at 9, so
yeah,
it's a good day. We're just keeping after them back here in the big woods.
Okay, hopefully.
There it goes.
Smoked him. Nice shot.
Do you see him? Get him, get him, get him, get him!
So we have it, 10 squirrels. We ended up getting pretty down to the wire on time.
Got 1 black, 2
we
grays.
We ended up having to shoot black and gray ones, but are pretty good size considering there's been smaller ones. And lots of fox squirrels. We got lucky with a lot of them today. But so our contest goes by weight. So hopefully either there's not another person with 10 squirrels, or we have a heavy batch of squirrels.
So this is it.
We've never done this yet. This is our first
time limiting out. We did it in the tournament. Right now, we don't know where Brent and Garrett are, but they have 9, last we heard. So cross our fingers, they're getting another one. And man, saying a prayer that ours are heavier.
Second place would be so cool.
Heavier than anybody else's. Okay, here we are. Where are we going, kids?
We're going to, what is this, Harson's Island?
Yep, to check in.
Check in our squirrel gigs.
Yep, how many did we end up with, Avery?
10.
Garrett, you and Dad?
9.
What did you have the most fun doing today?
Shooting stuff with the shotgun.
Which you never did before, did you?
No, but I shot 5 of them.
Awesome. We had a really good day. The weather was nice. We got a lot of video, a lot of pictures. So here we go. We're off. Beautiful sunset.
Nice and calm out.
We're going to weigh in. Avery and I are sweating to see if our 10 had enough weight. We ended up with about 16 pounds. We'll see what the official scale says. So we'll be in touch. So here we are, the next morning, day after the tournament. Cleaning our squirrels. Got a little setup here. Brent's working on getting a couple more things going. So we ended up, Avery and I, with 10 squirrels and a weight of, I think it was 16 pounds, 1.5 ounces. Took 4th. 3rd place beat us by 0.4 ounces. And both 1st and 2nd had over 19 pounds. They both, 1st and 2nd, also had all fox squirrels. Avery and I ended with 2 gray and 1 black. Brett and Garrett were 1 shy. They had a lot of blacks though. So just getting going on getting things cleaned up. We're gonna make
Squirrel and dumplings.
Squirrel and dumplings or something. So
for Garrett's class.
we had an awesome day yesterday. Garrett really enjoyed
Shooting stuff with the shotgun.
using the shotgun. So might have another 1 or 2 little tournaments coming up. Hopefully get out after them for that. And otherwise, we'll be seeing you guys around.
I gotta get out of this mission.